Ils m'ont été là, c'est pas toujours. Ils montaient blanche. Oğlum
Morning. Any reason why you're going 63 and a 45?
There was just them two trucks that had me pinned between them. I just accelerated through them and then I held my speed.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to extremely accelerate. I'm on my way to work, so I...
Did your driver's
Yes,
license?
sir. Yes, sir. License, registration, and I have my insurance.
Don't need it. You got a helmet on. Just go ahead and
Yes,
have
sir.
a seat for me, please. Instead of making it 63 and a 45, I'm going to reduce it to 9 over for it's 131, okay? So 3 options. Pay this within 30 days and get the points. There's 3 points associated with it. Option 2 is fight it in court. Option 3 is traffic school. Keeps the points from going on your license, raises the fine. 30 days to take care of it. They have a link to do the school on their website. Any questions?
Nope.
All right, man. I understand what you're doing. It's just a little bit too fast.
I get it. I apologize.
All right, man. You have a good one.
Yes, sir. You too.